Hello there, thanks very much for joining me again. Before I start, quickly show you the colours. We've got ultramarine, cad yellow, Payne's grey, alizarin crimson, raw sienna, burnt umber, light red, using large Van Ranson-Ake and 15 by 11 Fabriano.
We'll start off with the big 8 brush. This is just clear water all the way over. Then I'm going to take a little bit of raw sienna, a little bit of ultramarine. I'm just going to brush that in all the way down to the bottom. Something like that. Not much detail, just as some sort of background flavour. Then I'm going to take then a quick dry. Not very dry, just dry enough to take on this next little wash. Same 2 colours, and these are just distant trees. I want them nice and light. These are way back, quite a low horizon line, something like that. There, it's just popping a little trunk there, something else there. A few little trunks there, just suggesting a few trees in the background. Bushes and things lower down. Everything's just kept nice and light. Bring that down to the horizon line. Well, I think that'll do for that. Let's give that a quick dry. Just pull it, make sure it's flat against the easel, and then I'll go in with some thicker paint that's going on into the foreground, some trees in the foreground. So, same 2 colours, dipping in the corner of the brush into the water. Same 2 colours, introduced a bit of burnt umber into it as well. And I'm going to take one. You've got a tree, something like that, and that's going up there. Just using the corner of the brush. Switch to the rigger. Number 3 rigger, in those same colours, plenty of water, plenty of paint. And we got branches going all over the place. A few more leaves and things. Just using a dry rigger brush just to suggest a few things here and there. Little things going down below. Right, let's do another tree, big tree. Same colours, nice strong mix. Raw sienna, a bit of burnt umber, ultramarine. And this one's going right there, nice and dark. Just give it off there like that. Back to the rigger brush, same colours again, nice and dark. big branch coming off there. A few little things growing round there. Bit more water. Just scuff there a little bit. Just little things up there. Grabbing round there. Right then, a few little fence posts using a little flat brush. I'm giving something like that. Let's put a bit of colour, a little bit of colour down there. I'm going to go raw sienna, a bit of cad yellow. Push that right up to those fence posts. Quick sweep on there. And then we need some darker, shadowy colours. So I'm just giving ultramarine, cad yellow, and a Payne's grey. Let's just see what this looks like first. Put that up there like that. Payne's grey. Darken that base a little bit more. First I'm just going to make sure that that's flat against the easel. I'm going to put a little, put our man in walking his dog, so I'm going to, first just want to make sure it's dry. Give it a quick dry, and then I just want to get them a little bit darker. Mixing these, okay, put them a little bit darker. Give it a quick dry. In fact, let's take advantage of those black bits. Let's just pop a few little rocks and things. Something like that. Quick air dryer. little bigger brush. I'm just going to go straight into light red. And let's pop in somewhere about there. Starting off with his body. Paint. Going into the ultramarine. Into his front leg, just slightly bent, and his back leg. And his arm down there, pop his head on, and just in front. Just in front there. Dog. Don't fit the shadows, so it's something like that. Not the dog. I'm going to do shadows coming off these fence posts as well. Little bird up in the sky, I'm going to put him somewhere about there. And then last but not least, pop your name down in the corner. I'm going to call that one finished. So let's see what it looks like with the mounts on. There's our mounted picture, so if we're going to have a closer look. I'd say this painting has the three layers. You've got the most distant trees, you can see the trunks going up here. Very light in tone. There's again a few more little trunks, very faint foliage all the way along. So that's a sort of distant layer. Then you've got the second one, which is this tree where it's a little bit stronger, but not as strong as the one on the left. All the while helping to create depth, all put in using the same tone, big trunk, and then loads of just using the corner of the hake, a little bit of rigger work here to create a few branches. Then on the left here we've got our closest layer, third and final layer, reserving the strongest paint mix for this. And then you can see how the three layers help create a sense of depth. These foreground shadows then help emphasise the light. Also you see little shadows off each of the fence posts, plus our little figure there walking his dog. They've got their own shadows as well. Fence posts continue all the way. Little shadows off there as well over there. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. You can catch me over on Patreon if you want to watch more videos. You'll see the link in the description below. So until next time, keep practicing. Any questions, please ask, and I'll see you again soon.